to nowhere.
Where are we going today, Bubbles?
Well, this is an adventure first for us because we've only lived here over 20 years. And I've always said we want to go to the Lighthouse at Point Perpendicular.
Yep.
Today is the day.
Rightio then.
So we are on the way down this lovely, lengthy
Dirt track to nowhere. I can see the top of the lighthouse from here.
I'll tell you what though, it's like getting a free massage, isn't it?
It is. So once again, we're back at Beecroft Weapons Range.
We are.
That's where the home of the Point Perpendicular Lighthouse is.
Hopefully it's something to see because we've put it off 20 years, so
Well, yeah, we have.
I'm anticipating something really cool, and if not, I'm going to be going boo.
Is that so, Bubbles?
Yes, it is.
Fair enough.
Oh, well, no, at least then I can say, you know, I came, I saw, I did.
Yeah,
Which is all a part of going on the adventures.
that it is.
Jump out of the box and do something different.
Why not? Why not indeed? Oh, look, there it is.
Right up on the peak there.
Rightio.
Jeez, that goes quite a while up there, Wombat.
Don't know what.
I bet you the view up on that mountain is spectacular.
Oh, I bet it looks fantabulous. I guess we'll find out in a second.
We will.
Longer than a second because it's a dirt road.
Yes, it is.
And
Yeah, definitely don't fly around these blonde corners.
no, it's like a 40k limit. No one sticks to it.
But it's for a really good reason because the road isn't that wide either.
No, it's not. And it's a little bit shit.
Tell us what you really think there, Wombat.
I did. I just
You want to get on
did.
your side of the road? That would be great. Thank you. Take care. Might have to edit that bit. I get a bit spicy on the road.
You do.
But there's road rules. Just follow the rules.
Apparently so. And now apparently there's unexploded ordnance here. That's shit they've launched into the place and hasn't blown up.
Well, we'll be avoiding those.
So,
And what does the fire danger level tell us today?
there's zero chance of fire today.
Yep.
Oh,
But last time it was updated, April 01. Good job, fellas.
yeah.
Keep it on top of everything there.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Alright, this'll do us. We're going to stop here, get out of the car.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go for a walk.
Alrighty. Point Perpendicular Lighthouse. Who the thunk it?
I can't come here alone, I just noticed too.
What's that?
Back there the sign said dangerous cliffs. Children must be supervised at all times.
Oh, dear. That's no good for you, Bubbles.
Yep, inner child inside of me screwed. Can't come alone.
Apparently not.
Alright, Wombat, so there's our emergency assembly point. Got to wait there till someone tells you that it's fine to go. Do not evacuate.
Where's that sign? There it is somewhere.
There we go.
Danger.
But come have a look.
Yeah, it's really, really dangerous. Hey. It's all good. Let's go.
I wonder if they have access days where you can go up and into whether you...
No.
That's a bit rude.
You're not allowed in the lighthouse. You're allowed to look at it from outside,
Well, I say boo.
but you're not allowed inside.
What if I tripped up the step and fell in there?
No.
Was it an accident?
Not allowed, apparently.
Just don't have a sense of humour, do they?
Apparently not. And you come through the gate, and there she is.
Now this time it doesn't say anything about not walking on the grass either.
Yeah. So there's the lighthouse. Isn't it lovely? It's definitely a lighthouse.
Oh, it's actually nice.
Yeah. Looks like there's a bed sheet up on the window where the light is, so I don't think it works.
Or they could be doing restoration.
Shoalhaven Council.
Local plumber.
You know what's funny?
It's their breeding season too, the plovers. See, there's a plover. For all the Americans, I haven't seen one. Did you get the plover, Wombat?
There's the plover.
There we go. It's like a land penguin.
It is.
They've got their little suits on. Got their Elvis do. Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Alright.
1898
Yes.
she was built.
And look at this.
Definitely imagine how many coats of paint it's had since then.
Well, it was never that big. It's just, 4,000 coats of paint. It would have been a lot smaller originally.
You idiot. Oh, that's great.
Now, if you're wondering why the sound has changed, Wombat
Left his,
left his microphone on the seatbelt.
that's okay because I've still got mine on and now we're just looking like we're hugging
Yeah, right.
as we talk.
It's like, ew.
Bit of ingenuity. Get close and speak, Wombat.
That's right. Shall we look over this side first? Yes.
Okay.
We'll look over here. Let's see what's over the edge.
I thought I looked
big
like a
drop.
weirdo walking around just, shoving my shirt up near your face.
Hope Dave.
There's going to be one of us that did it one day.
Mate, I'm telling you.
Then again, that's like the day we did this whole heap of footage and they were turned off.
Yeah.
How's it go? Well, that video is just going to have some music to enjoy.
Alright, pop up over the fence.
Oh, look at that. Such a beautiful day. The sun's actually got some warmth to it too.
It is, it's beautiful.
All the boats going out deep sea fishing. Bit envious today.
Mate, that's just beautiful out there. Now, them cliffs are really, really high, so
Yeah, they are.
that's why they've got the little fence here, so you can't jump off.
Built for mountain goats, not humans.
That's right. So
Although, you give it a go. Oh, look at
there's
that.
some old stone houses.
Old heritage houses.
Yep.
That's beautiful over there, isn't it?
You know what?
This fence is that tall, the beam's right in my view.
I know.
I'm going to have to duck. You see some cool whales up here too, they
yeah,
come
fine.
through.
You can stand here and watch the whales as they swim along. Not that you can see much because right at head height, you've got this bar. How awesome's that? Well
Yeah.
thought out.
They didn't think of us short asses.
No. Pretty place.
It's beautiful. Really beautiful. Well, that was actually worth the see, Wombat. Oh, look at that with the clouds behind. That makes a beautiful image. Look at that.
Yeah, wow. How cool is that?
I wonder if we walk over to the left there, if you can see more through there.
Oh, we can have a look. It's a really cool looking lighthouse, man.
Well maintained, isn't it?
It is. I quite like it, to be
You
honest.
see some that are really decrepit.
Actually, we will be taking you to a really decrepit one in some other adventures.
Absolutely. I got such a thing for lighthouses, I can't help
Man,
myself.
they're just so cool, aren't
I'll tell you what, it looks good from this side where you've got the opening.
they? So we'll bring you around this front.
Yeah. Walking backwards with the camera, I'm waiting.
The camera waiting to fall on my butt. How cool
Yeah,
is that?
see, that's actually really nice.
definitely something to just come and have a look at. That's for sure.
Definitely. It's good to get out, have a look around.
It
See
is.
what you can find. Always something new.
Yeah.
That is our first in 20 years.
That it is.
Every year.
How
Every
is that?
year without fail, every summer. We must go see that lighthouse. Yeah, good idea.
Yeah. pretty
Today's the
much.
day. There you have it in all its glory.
All right. It's
That
only a
was-
short one this week.
Yeah.
We'll pack up and go have some lunch, I think.
Oh yeah, food sounds good.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's do this.
So, thanks again for joining us this week. We truly appreciate all your love and support.
Absolutely.
If you've liked this, go check out some of the other videos. They're awesome.
Oh, we've been to some beautiful places.
That they have. So,
Join the fun, guys. Follow the adventures.
alrighty. So that's it from us. So have fun. Take care. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.
Have a great adventure.
Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, that's just bushland as far as the eye can see.
Crazy girl, isn't
Always amazes me when you get to the other side and there's a gorgeous beach.
it? There's a lookout tower. Wasn't us, we didn't do it. Honest.
Definitely not us.
Up a days.
Footage may prove otherwise, but that's fine. Oh, I tell you what, the illusion of summer's in the car when the sun's coming through the windscreen.
It is, isn't it? It's nice and warm.
Beautiful on your skin.
Love it.
There we go, finally got you close up with your tower you wanted.
Yay!
There you go, Wombat.
I so want to climb up it, but I don't want to go to prison for the next 30 years.
You've forgotten one very important thing about you.
What's that?
You're scared of heights.
Yeah, I know, but I'd be look. Get some great footage from up there.
You really would?
I'd just close my eyes and hope the best.
Or you'd send me up there.
Oh yeah, that's me.
That's the usual.
Yep.
Yep.
That's your name on
Always good at the end of the day after you've had a big adventure because you're just so relaxed and chilled.
it. Absolutely.
Ready to go through another week.
It's great to get out amongst it.
Really is. Sit home doing nothing, you waste a beautiful day you don't get back.
That's right.
Ready for the dip?
My goodness.
That was good.
I know why. Oh. Forgot the kidney belt and boulder holders.
Yeah, we still need to buy your B cup, brother.
I know.
Contain the jiggles.
That's right, because I'm not going to go on a diet and stuff.
Oh no. Wombats love food.
They do.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna turn the camera off now. And I'm just gonna sit and relax and enjoy my drive.
You.
Another fantastic day.